Let's learn how to change your Twitter or X display name. If you've ever wanted to change your name on your Twitter or X account, worry no more. After watching this video, you won't have this problem anymore. The first thing you need to do is open the X or Twitter app. Once you've opened Twitter, make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to change your name. With Twitter open, the first thing you need to click on is your profile picture. Your profile picture is located in the top left corner of the screen, and when you click on it, a page with more options will open. These options are irrelevant for this tutorial, but there's something you need on that page. On that page, you need to click on your name, which is located at the top of the page next to your profile picture. When you click on your name, a page with your profile information will open. On this page, you need to click on the Edit Profile option located in the top right corner. When you click on this option, a page will open with things you can edit on your profile. On that page, you need to click on your current name, and when you do, you'll be able to delete it. After deleting it, type in the new name you want to use. Once you've typed it in, click on the Save option located in the top right corner. When you click on Save, you've successfully changed your name on Twitter. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.